Well, hello, everybody. It is Monday, the 12th of September, and it is also day 108 of 100 Days of Code or 200 Days of Code because it's the second round. But whatever the way you look at it, it is time once again to talk about what we got up to today. So, obviously, I'm Kendall, and I'm based in Worthing in the United Kingdom on the south coast. So, for those of you who don't know, that's near London. Uh, Anyways, whatever the case, what did we get up to today? So 100 Days of Code is all about sort of charting your journey, about talking about like, it's staying consistent with coding every day. So you show up every day and you code a little bit. Number two, it's about making yourself accountable to everybody who might follow you or those that don't, or those who maybe check in the video, that sort of thing. And thirdly, it's sort of like you can look back on it as well. You can look back on your progress and you can sort of say, wow, look how far I've come. Or look what I have to work on. Or if you look from day one to day 20, you can see a bit of growth. Because sometimes we can't see the growth straight away ourselves. Sometimes when we look, we only see who we are now, and we don't see the journey of the little 0.001% that going along the way. So that's why this is a beautiful thing. Because basically what we're doing is we're improving that 0.011, whatever it is, percent every single day. But the point is you're getting better. And that's good. No matter how small, you're committing to the journey and you're getting better. So today, what I got up to is pretty much the same sort of process I've been carrying on. I'm committed to doing Code Wars every day. So at the beginning of each day, when I get up and I get to the place, a little bit different today because my kid had a play skills thing today this morning. So I didn't start till 10. Sorry, not 10, 9:30, which is about 30 minutes off what I normally do, but it's okay. So what I did is I started with Code Wars. So we always start with Code Wars. And so we did a few of those, got our dopamines going on, got those green checks, and then had a few frustrating ones as well. But I remember the green ticks. There were some we didn't solve. That's okay. It's okay. We'll come back to them. It's all right. We got our dopamine and then some. Well, we just couldn't get there in time. They're going to take more space and more time, so I'll come back to them. I'll revisit them when I have a little bit more space to work them out and solve the problem. What else did I get to today? Well, I also decided what I'd do is I would practice the back end stuff again. So I've been doing a lot of front end stuff. I've been doing like fetching. I've been doing things like recreating hackathons, that sort of thing. So for the hackathon that I did on Friday, one of the bonus tasks was actually that we could spin up a back ends. So I decided that what I would do is I'd continue with that bonus task. And so I continued to do that. So what I did is I created a pool, I created some scripts, I span up, I used the middleware of Express. I'm going to use the backend of Heroku and use Postgres SQL database, that sort of thing. I decided I'd spin up a backend for that hackathon. So I did that. Took me it's not quite there yet. I worked on that for maybe about an hour and a half, something like that. So span up a few different things. Haven't got roots up or anything like that, but was able to do a few different things. It's working, it's operational, it's hooked up with Heroku and Postgres SQL, so that's good. Got the M variables in and that good stuff. So that was cool. Also this morning, there was a review so it's School of Code every Monday and Wednesday. There's reviews of different things. So I was able to review testing again. So I reviewed unit tests, integration tests, and end-to-end testing and things like that, and got access to a really cool GitHub repository which goes through those sorts of things. So that was super cool. And then I followed an interview question thing, and one of them is like where you have to create a form. So I created a form, literally just using JavaScript and using that's pretty much it, and CSS, and created a form and put it where I wanted to and made it look a certain way. So I did that. And then I decided what I would do is I would then look at some AWS. So I've decided that I'm gonna sort of mix it up. I'm gonna do like a bit of Code Wars in the morning. Then I'll probably do some sort of coding thing. So after Code Wars, I'll do some sort of coding skill up or whatever, and I'll do that maybe in the morning time. And maybe that might leak over into the early afternoon. And then I'm thinking with like part of the day, on some days, I'm probably going to do some cloud practitioner stuff. I'm going to look at some AWS stuff. So that stuff in the morning and that stuff in early afternoon might be stuff like, front end stuff. It could be back end stuff. It could be exploring some Tailwind, which I haven't broke into today yet. That'll probably be tomorrow, will be what I'll do in my coding bit and sort of messing around with that, using it in my hackathon from Friday. So I'm going to continue building on the hackathon from Friday. I find that's quite good use of my time and continues to keep me in a project mode. So yeah, really enjoying the process. My thoughts are I'm having a blast. It's so much fun. I mean, I know I say it every day, but it's true. Uh, I like it. I'm like, this is living the dream. I can just sit there, open up my VS Code. I can sit there and like code up different things. I'm creating something cool. I'm able to solve problems, and sometimes I don't. Sometimes I get errors. That's cool. I like errors. Errors are good. They tell me like what's going on. So I've been having a lot of fun. So, anyways, that's it. It's day 108. Gone. Sorted. Peace out for now. Keep calm. Code on. And we will see you tomorrow.